The BMW M5 has long served as a benchmark against which high-performance executive sedans are judged. But the new generation hybrid M5 brings a new set of brute power and added heft into play. With a curb weight of nearly 5,400 pounds, 2,445 kilograms, the performance of the sedan cannot be argued, but neither can the weightiness. Tuning house Mansory, renowned for extreme styling and ruthless tweaking, has pitched up with its own answer to both ills: increased power, increased carbon fiber, and a more vocal presence. The changes to the exterior are dramatic and immediate. A vents-punctured carbon fiber bonnet overwhelms the front face, adding visual ferocity and potential heat extraction from the engine area. Glossing this is a restyled front bumper featuring a more aggressive splitter and intake surrounds, which are also made of carbon fiber. These are not just done to enhance performance in the guise of improved aerodynamics, but also to make a definite style statement consistent with Mansory's squarely unapologetic design ethos. Along the sides, it continues with stretched side skirts, carbon fiber mirror caps, and signature side gills. A dash of uniqueness comes in the form of Mansory's shield emblems installed on the front fenders, a welcome personalistic reference to exotic brand uniqueness. This theatrical motif, reminiscent of Ferrari's vintage fender badges, adds a sense of exclusivity and individuality on what otherwise is a conservative BMW profile. The rear of the car takes things even further. A huge diffuser takes up a lot of visual real estate, channeling air while giving the rear a race swagger. 3 tailpipes are centrally visible a non-standard but glamorous configuration for the sports exhaust. A roof spoiler and a trunk lip spoiler above provide boosted downforce and stability at higher speeds. Not even the back reflectors have escaped attention. Mansory houses them in carbon fiber trim, trimmed to look like active vents. Weight-saving credentials accompany the performance gains, with caveats notwithstanding. An entirely new 22-inch forged alloy wheel set with a complex multi-spoke pattern is dubbed Ultra Light. As expensive marketing, concrete figures for how much unsprung weight is lost are not available. With the M5's bulk weight, any gain will be small, although the visual upgrade is beyond question. The true star of this tuning package lies under the bonnet. Mansory didn't touch the hybrid configuration's electric motor, but focused on squeezing more performance out of the well-tested 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine instead. The result is a remarkable increase in performance: 838 horsepower and 848 pound-feet of torque. This is a 121 horsepower and 150 Newton-meter improvement on the factory-developed M5. Such a leap should mean much more ferocious acceleration and higher top-end potential. The engine lid, as one would anticipate, does carry Mansory's badge and gets its own carbon fiber update. No mention yet of suspension or chassis setup changes to the M5. More modifications might be coming though, as Mansory has teased the possibility of further upgrades in the future, with changed dampers, springs, or even active aerodynamic pieces. At least for the time being, handling dynamics approximate factory BMW configuration. Already nicely sorted, but maybe ripe for even finer tuning under the direction of Mansory. Inside the cabin, Mansory's tradition of fusing luxury with sport-inspired design is carried forward. The overall theme revolves around uncompromising use of black and orange leather trim, quilted in fluid body shapes that emphasize the contour of the seats and dashboard. Floor mats carry the tuner's logo, while new metallic sports pedal covers adorn the footwell. These touches are meant to provide the vehicle a cockpit that matches its ferocious new character, blending richness and track-derived details. The restyled M5 is now a rolling tribute to the potential when decadent styling meets justified engineering enhancements. As much as purists may cringe at the bold visual enhancements, the one performance increase confirms the Mansory M5 Hybrid remains an appealing option for those seeking both speed and street swagger. At the same time, BMW itself is essentially secretly working on the future of its electrified M division. The hybrid M5 will receive a complete facelift by 2027 as part of the bigger Neue Klasse program. For now, the current crop provides rich ground for enthusiasts and tuners to play around with, offering a platform that satisfies electrified torque and pure V8 power in one ugly package. Mansory's interpretation of the hybrid M5 is astonishing, not only for its outward excess, but for the plain-faced temerity of its performance modification. The pairing of carbon fiber enhancements and horsepower boosts sounds like an unequivocal mission statement to take the bloated, gadget-laden M5 and make it quicker, more responsive, and more exciting to drive. Every aspect, from the triple exhaust system to the complex rear diffuser, serves a purpose, functional or strictly cosmetic. Wheels, more appearance than substance, once more validate the tuner's intention to produce cars as aggressive as they are in reality. With its deep understanding of how to personalize upper-end performance cars, Mansory offers an original, unapologetic perspective on BMW's top-of-the-line sports sedan. This new M5 does not mess around. Its styling commands attention, its performance commands respect, and its calibration does not make any compromises. But lurking beneath the in-your-face looks is a highly engineered machine, still based on one of Germany's most hallowed automotive badges. Whether idling in a dealer lot or charging the Autobahn, this version of the M5 makes an impression that does not soon fade. As the automotive world inches towards electrification and minimalism, vehicles like these offer a powerful counterpoint. They're the essence of excess. Take uniqueness to an extreme and prove the hidden potential of performance hybrids in a world that all too often sacrifices personality for the sake of efficiency. With bold choices and meticulous engineering, the Mansory M5 Hybrid is not just a tweaked car, but a statement on the evolving future of high-performance sedans.